All right, we're working on day 22 here from the time that we actually first started. Last episode was day 19, which was a Friday, so we had Saturday and Sunday, which we spent. It's Memorial weekend, so I spent it with my family. So today is Monday, which is actually Memorial Day, but I'm doing a little bit of work today, and we finally got some responses from the suppliers. So I'm gonna just jump right into it and see what these suppliers have gotten back to us on. So basically what I'm looking at here, guys, is these 8-ounce plastic bottles for juice and like a food grade bottle. I've gone through and found a couple things I want to make as a point of a difference. But what I'm seeing is that this one in particular, I wanted them to have this cap on it, which the only one that they can produce is 38 millimeters, but they're saying that these bottles are only 24 millimeters. Or in order to use that cap, they're going to need to be 24 millimeters, which is super small. It's less than an inch, which will be kind of a pain in the butt to clean, I think. So I don't know if I want to do that. These other guys have been responding really, really well. Okay, so this lady was going through responding really well. Talked about she can do these wider mouth ones with that bamboo style lid on it like this, which is kind of what I wanted as a point of difference. Gave her quantities, wanted logos, sent her over the logo we're going to use. Quantity of 3,000 is too small. So when I was going through, I had decided based on our competition that I wanted to do like a 20 to 25 pack of these. So obviously we still need to keep it below the $3,000 budget that we want. And I probably want to budget at least $500 for marketing and all that kind of stuff. Let's see. So that was going to be 150 pieces. I might be able to go up. Okay, so I'm going to see if we can get the price. It sounds like they probably want us to go up to around 5,000 units. Which that's going to put us right at our $3,000 budget if they come through at 60 cents. If they can give us a cheaper price than 60 cents, we might be able to make it. But I mean, 60 cents for 5,000 units is going to be right at $3,000. And that, I'm assuming, is not going to include our shipping costs. It's not going to include our marketing costs. It's not going to include Amazon. We've got a lot of other things that we want to throw in there. So I'm going to try and see if I can get them down to stay to that 3,000 pieces. Because that would just cost us $1,800, right? That'd give us $1,200 to work with for the shipping and all that kind of stuff, which I'm pretty sure this will be cheaper than that for shipping. So yeah, I'm going to reach out to them, see if they can get that, keep that quantity down lower. Unless this 5,000 units they say we can get for cheaper than 60 cents a unit. Then I'd be willing to look into that. That would probably, if we've got 5,000 units, for most of you, I'm also gonna have to keep this down. Obviously my account has been up and running for quite a few years, so I don't have this restriction. But Amazon is restricting a lot of new sellers to when you upload a new product, because you haven't proven that you know how to sell that product. They limit you to 200 units at the fulfillment center. So that would mean that we would have to do a pack of 25, right? Because if we have 25 bottles per unit in a pack, then that would come out right to 200 units for 5,000, which is fine. Like, we can go up to 25 units. I don't want to go much higher than 25 units per pack, though, because then it's going to get too big, and the majority of the ones that we're selling well are right around 20 to 25-ish. So we'll see what they say. As you can see, I'm going to ask this question to them, see what they come back with. Probably tomorrow. It's like 10:30 p.m. where they're at right now. But I'll keep an eye on this. I'm also going to look a little bit further into this one. She said that this cap, I think that cap's going to be just too small of an entry for cleaning this product very easily. If somebody's going to put juice and not be able to wash out immediately, like getting in, and especially if it's a square bottle like this one, it'd be really easy to clean, or really hard to clean these top corners. I don't want to cause those issues. So we might have to look into either a different cap size or a different bottle shape that will make it easier to clean out. Like if you can get a small brush down in there or something like that. But these are all the kinds of things we want to look at. And like I said, the reason I'm thinking about these is because these are complaints that people had in the reviews. Okay. So I'll kind of look into that a little bit further here. See what they say. Maybe they have some other cap options that they can throw in here for us. Or like I said, even some different bottle sizes. So, all right, let me look at that. And then I'm going to decide if I'm going to post this as its own standalone video or if I'm going to bundle this with the next one. That way it's a little bit more filling. You know, actually, I think I'm just going to post it separately. That way it's more step-by-step and you guys can see daily kind of what this progressions look like. So I'll spend a couple more minutes here and see what I can find out. Otherwise, I'll just end it.